guys, this is Ms. Hurst and I'm here with another quick tech tutorial. Today we're going to be going through one of my favorite websites for creating cool activities a little bit easier, and that's flippity.net. It's super simple to use, and I hope you'll see that you can quickly figure out how to use any of their items using these steps. So the first thing you have to do is get to Flippity. All you do is you type in flippity.net into your search bar. That's going to bring you to this page. From this page, you can pick your activity. You can do flashcards, a quiz show, random names, scavenger hunt, badge, all these different things up here, even manipulatives, right? Well, wait, there's more. Down at the bottom, have you ever seen those classes that have a ton of vocab words and you'd really like a word search with them all? All you have to do is have it in a Google spreadsheet, type them in, and you get an instant word search. How about word scrambles? Just put them in out of order. Hangman, matching, Mad Libs, everything. They got it all. So once you've figured out what you want here, because there's a lot, all you have to do is click on one of the buttons underneath. If you already know what you're doing, you're just going to click on template. Maybe you've done this 1 or 2 times and you don't need anything other than that template to get started. If you don't really know what you're doing, what you want to do is you want to click on demo or instructions. So we're going to start with demo. When you click on demo, it's going to show you what the assignment looks like when you're done. This is something that's meant to be played on paper, not online. Now, if you have one of my other favorite websites, which is ClassKick, you can upload this and they can use the highlighter function to actually play this online just like they would on paper. I love it. It's a favorite. But it just gives you a readout of everything it would look like as you go. You can share it from here as well if you want to share it with your content team. Let's go back and see what happens when we click on instructions. So let's do a different one this time. Instead of doing the word search, let's check out the crossword puzzle. Let's hit instructions. It says, do you want to make your own? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to modify this template and you're going to publish and finally get your link. Now, these are pretty much the same steps you're going to take for any of these items here. They're very simple. It's always going to go to a Google spreadsheet. You're going to fill in the things on that spreadsheet and then you're going to publish. So let's go with another one to see how that looks on that template. And let's do one I haven't done before. Let's do Mad Libs. I'm a math teacher. How often do you need Mad Libs? So template, it's going to ask me if I want to open it and it's going to have me make a copy. So that's what I'm going to do to start. All right, now I have the copy of my spreadsheet. What you can see here is that we have our entire Mad Lib sitting here, and all we have to do is put in brackets for the things that we want to replace. We have name, place, all those different things that we're going to set up. You always want to stick it into brackets so that we know where those new words are going to go. You can make it as long as you'd like, and they each have a topic. So trip, test, cooking, accident, and there's still all these extra columns that you can type whatever you'd like into. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is go to get the link here. Now, before I go and get that link, I have to publish my spreadsheet. Here's how you do that. You go up to File, and when you're in File, if you scroll down, way down there, it says Publish to the Web. Go ahead and click that. You're going to publish the entire document as a web page. Hit OK. And you've now published your document. So you can take this link right here and use it, but we want to use this one here with the flippity so that it converts it to our Mad Libs. So let's see what this looks like now. So if you hover over, it's going to give you that pop-out link. So let's go there. And you can see a story. You get to pick which one of those Mad Libs do we want to do. Let's say we want to do cooking. All those things that were in brackets are now listed here as things that we need. So we have 13 words. I can enter those 13 words. So let's see. We have, let's do Tucker. and Remy. Those are my two dogs. A past tense cooking verb. Julienne. Ingredient, carrots. And what else do you Julienne? I don't know, cabbage. An adjective, orange. A food, burgers. Another ingredient, ketchup, ginger. Number, another adjective. Can you think of another adjective? I know I can't. Wet, sour, tough. Oh, and a drink, sorry. Tea. All right, so I have all my things, and all I gotta do is click show me my story. And here we go. Anywhere where we had those brackets, those words that we just put in are there. So Tucker and Remy were hungry. They julienned carrots and cabbage because they wanted to make orange burgers. They put them in a pan on the stove. Then they added ketchup and ginger and cooked them for 9 minutes. They ate their food on a wet plate with a glass of sour tea. Sounds yummy. So as you can see, this is really quick and easy to do. You can do this with any type of thing that you'd like and see if it makes sense. All of the flippity items are that simple. You just go to that template and you type in where you need to the items that it's asking for. If you ever have questions, just pop back to those instructions and they can show you what you need to do. I hope this helps, guys, and I hope you enjoy flippity as much as I do. Bye-bye.